Namaskaram and Swagatam, dear friends. Welcome to Learn Malayalam through English. In this chapter, we are going to learn consonants in Malayalam with phonetics. So I have divided that into two different parts. So we are going to deal with the first part of that so we can know how the consonants are pronounced, how many consonants are there, and some words using those consonants. So let us get started. So here is this table which shows the consonants in Malayalam, and the boxes says how they are classified according to the way they are pronounced, their classification. So no need to worry, I'll explain all the terms. We are going by row. That is how we should start it. That is how a particular classification goes by. Like the first row, as you can see, it is classified as velar. So the velar consonants, they are articulated with back part of the tongue against the back part of the roof of the mouth. So when I pronounce it, you can really understand it. So they're like ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. So the first one, I'll use a highlighter here. Just a second. Okay. Okay, got a highlighter picked up. So we'll go once again. The velar ones, they are the consonants articulated with back part of the tongue against the back part of the roof of the mouth. So again, going ahead, it is ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Here you can see some of other classification like aspirated, unaspirated. Aspirated means those sounds that involves strong burst of breath. So when you say ka, there is a breath involving in it. And the last column downwards, they are nasal, which involves, as the name suggests, they involves the nose. So that was our first row, ka, kha, ka, kha, nga. Okay, the next one is palatal or post velar. So the palatal ones are those articulated with body of the tongue raised against hard palate. Let us see how they are pronounced. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Again, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Okay, so the third one is retroflex. Retroflex consonants are articulated with tip of the tongue curled back against the palate. Okay, so let us see how that is pronounced. The first one is ta, tha, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Whenever we reach at the aspirated consonants, there is breath involved. So always keep that in mind. It is ta, tha, da, tha, na. Then coming to the next one, that is dental. Dental consonants articulated with the tongue against the upper teeth. So let us pronounce that and see. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Once again, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, so that were the dental consonants and the labial. So the labial ones involves one or both lips. So they are pa, fa, bha, bha, ma. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. So we have learned 25 of them. So the rest are in the next slide. So let us move on. So other consonants are ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, ra, ra. So, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, ra, ra. Some of them, I know some of them are very difficult to pronounce, like la, ra, but we'll go through them each separately, and we learned a lot of words involving those particular consonants. That way you can know how they are pronounced properly. Okay, so let us go through some words to familiarize these consonants we learned today. So let's get started with that. Ka, the first one in the first row, ka, ka, kan. Kanna is a word that you have already learned about. Kanna means eyes or eye. So, kanna. Kha, nagam. Nagam means fingernails. Fingernails. Nagam. Ga, ganam. Ganam. Gana means song. Song. Kha, kha, megam. Megham. Megha means cloud. Nga, nga, manga. Manga. Manga means mango. So that is our first row. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Okay. So if you are not thorough with the words, just go back and learn it again and again. So that way you can familiarize those words and the sounds along with them. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Cha, chaka. Chaka is a very common fruit, or I don't know whether it is sometimes it is a fruit, sometimes it's a vegetable, but it's a famous thing in Kerala. Chaka means jackfruit. Jackfruit is chaka. So cha, chaka. The next one. Cha, cha. So achan. Achan is dad. We have already learned that, I guess. So look at the way it is written. It is the first letter cha is involved, and the next letter is the second cha coming up, so that comes in the word achan. Achan means dad. Ja, ja, janal. Janal means window. Window. Ja, janal. Ja, ja. This is one of the least used consonant, to be honest. And this word is jesham. Jesham is like a synonym for fish, which is, I don't think, ever used in a normal conversation show. So this is like a synonym word, but never used in daily life. So, but we have to learn that particular consonant. So I have used this word here, chasham. It means fish. Nya, nya. That's a nasal consonant. Nya, nyand. Nyand means crab. Crab. Nyand. Coming to the third row, it's ta. Ta. Ta mean ta. With ta we have put kudam. Kudam is the mud or the clay pot um, that usually used to pick water, or yeah, whatever. It's a mud pot. Kudam. 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 For ta it is kudam. And next one. Tha. Sorry. It is not tha. It is ta ta. Ta ta is for padam. Padam. Padam means a chapter. A chapter. Okay. Chapter. Da. Da. Diary. Diary. So in English, you'll pronounce it like diary, but in Malayalam it is diary, diary. Dha, dha, damaram. Damaram, it is the drum. The drum is called as damaram, but again, in the daily life, no one uses such words. It is not, it is like least use. So, but still we have that word in Malayalam. So, dhamara means drum. Na, na, money. Money means bell, bell in Malayalam. So that is also the nasal word, the na, which will involve your nose in it. So na, money. Money means bell. And that completes that row. And coming to the next one, ta. Ta, tala. Tala means head. Tala means head. Dha. Dha for kada. Kada means story. Story. Kada. Dha. Deepam. Deepam means light. Light. Sometimes it is lamp. So this is it. The deepam that we use for festivals. What about deepam means lamp, okay, or light. Dha, dha for dhanam. Dhanam means wealth, wealth. It is not money, it is wealth. Na, na or na. This is the last one in that row. So it can be pronounced as na or na interchangeably. In sometimes it is na, sometimes it is na. So this can be navu. This is pronounced as navu instead of navu. So navu, or sometimes you can see some other words which pronounces it as na itself. So by that comes the end of this video. So hope you enjoyed this one. Practice it, go back again and again and learn these words again. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching. Nandi Namaskaram.